What's good, guys, man? You guys know it is stack season, guys. Stack season club. This is just a space where we're open about money. We talk about money. Money's always like a shh, 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 quiet, quiet, quiet. No talking about money. Like it's always been a secret, and I just don't understand why people aren't more open about it. Even it doesn't necessarily have to be with strangers. I'm not saying you go up to strangers and be like, hey, look at my Robinhood account. But I'm just talking about even with family, even with friends, like letting each other know, hey, what are you invested in? Hey, are you saving money? Like, what are you doing to save money? And I just feel like it'd be a better space. You know what I'm saying? And that's what Stack Season Club is about. It's just a club where people are open about money and we talk about saving money. We talk about investing, things like that. So we're going to hop straight into it. We're going to log into my Robinhood account. I'm gonna start the screen recording. You guys are gonna see what's up, what's going on in my Robinhood account, and the moves I plan on making. Okay, so let's go. Boom, $14,000. $14,000, and I know you guys are looking at it, and it says today 0.0, after hours 0.0. That's because I took my money out of everything. So you guys know things are dropping. Things are dropping like crazy. But this past week I made $912. This past month, $894, not so good. Past 3 months, $3,000. So that's about $1,000 a month, man. And you guys can see I was up big, right? I was up big at 19,000 all the way down to 14,000. But that's okay because I did actually take some real money out of my Robinhood account. But I plan on, coming up big because right now stocks are down like crazy. And I'm looking at it as an opportunity to come up big. Like me, I like taking big position sizes, as in I like dumping a lot of money into what I believe in. You feel me? Not everyone plays the game that way. People like to diversify and play it safe. But I just feel like if I research the company a lot and I understand what their goal is, shout out to Ethereum, I'm going to dump a lot of money into it, man. I'm just going to go all in. That's just how I play the game, right? So the play that I'm looking at tomorrow, this isn't a play that I would go all into. I might go crazy. Going crazy for me would be like 10 bands, and that's going crazy. I might go crazy, but we're gonna look at Torchlight Energy, okay? Torchlight Energy is down on the day 30%, a whopping 30%, right? And the day before that, on Monday, it was up. It was up around 30%, So I'm just looking at this stock because literally it went up to, in 1 day's time, right? 1 day's time, it went up to $9.87 from $6.32, right? So from $6.32, it went all the way up to $9.74, and now it's sitting back at $6.50. So I already know. My prediction is that this thing is going to shoot back up just because it's reaching that price that it was at, on Monday. You feel me? So I'm looking at people don't really want to buy in at nearly $10 because they're thinking that's overpriced, right? Nobody wants to buy something that went up in 1 day at $10, So people are kind of scared of buying at that price, but having it go back to $6.50, it's looking like it's about to do the same thing over again, and probably even more, because think about all the hype that came on Monday, right? Monday, people see this stock rocket up. They're not buying in because they feel like it's too late. But now, coming Wednesday, it's back at $6.50, and the people that heard about it and weren't able to get in on Monday are going to get in on Wednesday. That's my prediction. I don't see this thing falling down any more than maybe $6.30, $6.20. If it gets to $5, that's awesome, but I don't think they'll let it. I think this thing is literally going to do what it did on Monday again. So I'm looking at getting in Torchlight Energy. Plus, I researched the company, and there is some good fundamentals about it, but mainly this is a meme stock, right? This mainly is something that people are talking about on Reddit, and that's why it's going crazy like that. But man, just seeing it go back to $6.50 is like asking me for yo, now's your time. Hey, you saw what it did Monday. Let's go and let's do it again. You know what I'm saying? And this time, let's do it bigger. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking Torchlight Energy is a play. I'm liking how AMC is moving, right? I did recently get out of AMC. But right now, AMC is looking good still. And I know you guys are like, what? You sold your AMC shares? You sold your AMC? Yes, but I sold them for profit, and I was down for a long time, guys. I was down for a long time, but I sold it for a profit, and now I'm looking to get back in. It's at $58.07, which is dope. We'll see what it does tomorrow. AMC is super unpredictable, but right now the main play for me is Torch, guys. I'm excited about what Torch will do tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. I'll check back into you, and I'll be honest. If I lose or if I win, I'm going to come back and I'm going to make a video and talk to you guys about it. That's what Stack Season Club is about, transparency and honesty, guys. So make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys subscribe. I don't know why I said that so weird. I messed it up. And make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, man, that's the video. Thanks for watching.